I'm going to teach you how to say over 100 different phrases in Te Reo Māori, and it will take you 5 minutes to learn. Okay, we're going to follow the tense, action, subject formula. So here are our 3 tenses that we're going to work with: present tense, past tense, future. Our actions, here are our 10 actions: oma, haere, noho, kōrero, moe, tū, kata, tangi, peke, takoto. And our subjects are koe, ahau, ia, and a, tama, which we're going to replace with any name that we want to use. So the total words you need to learn are 3 tenses, 10 actions, 4 subjects. And you can see here that's a total of 17 words, but when we multiply these out, and this is where the power of this whole formula is, when we multiply them out, we can see that we can come up with 120 different phrases. That's 120 different combinations that we can make between all of these kupu. Now, the benefit of using this sort of approach with any grammar structure is that you can now quantify what you've learned, and that's how you're going to build confidence, by writing down and seeing on paper how much you actually learn, which is usually a lot more than you